Okay, so start na tayo. Doon tayo sa starting riff niya bago pumasok yung main solo, which is this. Alright, napaka-basic niya lang, no? So let's start with that. So first, kakalbitin nyo yung 3rd fret 6th string, and then yung 1st fret 6th string, then open ng 6th string, and then 3rd fret 5th string, and then power chord ng F, and do sample muting. And then ipapasok yung parang scale ng F, no? Which is mag-start kayo dito sa 1st fret 6th string, and then going to 3rd fret 6th string, going to 5th fret 6th string, and then kakalbitin nyo ulit yan, tapos going to 2nd fret 5th string, and then sa 3rd fret 5th string. So ito siya ng mabagal. Okay. Alright, so let's proceed na dun sa kanyang main riff, no? So ang gagawin ko, hati-hatiin ko siya para mas madali nating maintindihan. So let's start with this. Okay, so ang ginawa ko dun ay papagsabayin nyo yung 7th fret 3rd string and 5th fret 2nd string. Yung 7th fret 3rd string, bebend nyo going to this note. And then uusod nyo lang yan ng dalawang fret, 1, 2. So itong ring finger nyo mapupunta sa 9th fret 3rd string, and then yung index finger nyo mapupunta sa 7th fret 2nd string. Ang gagawin nyo dito sa ring finger nyo na nasa 9th fret 3rd string, ibabend nyo rin siya. Ito yung note na i-reach nyo. And then pag-release nyo, dito naman kayo tapos sa 7th fret 2nd string, 8th fret 2nd string, 10th fret 2nd string, and then pagdating nyo dito sa 12th fret 2nd string, bebend nyo siya. So ito yung note na i-reach nyo. Release, no? Then release. Pag release, ipupull up nyo yan dito sa from 12th fret, ipupull up nyo siya dito sa 10th fret 2nd string. Alright? And then kakalbitin nyo tong 12th fret 4th string, going to 10th fret 4th string, and then mag-slide back lang kayo going to 9th fret 4th string. So ito siya ng mabagal. Alright? Alright, so doon na tayo sa ending ng kanyang solo, no? Which is ito siya. Okay. So let's break it down, no? Unang-una, ilalagay nyo yung daliri nyo dito sa 12th fret 3rd string, yung index finger nyo dito sa 10th fret 2nd string. Papagsabayin nyo yan. So, itong ibibend nyo. Ang i-reach yung note ay itong nandito. Okay? Kapit natin yung camera para mas makita. After nyan, i-slide nyo. Pupunta dito. No? I-slide nyo siya ng dalawang fret. Which is ma-reach ng ring finger nyo ay yung nasa 14th fret 3rd string at yung index finger nyo ay nasa 2nd fret ng 2nd string.
Masyado ka naman talagang
na pagka-reach nyo yan, ibibend nyo to, up note, ito yung note na i-reach nyo, no? Ito yung note na i-reach nyo. Pag-bend nyo, release, papagsabayin yung kalbet ng nasa 14 fret 3rd string at yung nasa 15 fret 2nd string. And then, after nun, papagsabayin nyo naman yung kalabet ng 1st at 2nd string dito sa 12th fret. Yan. Ibibend nyo to ng whole note. And then release. Tapos, papagsabayin nyo yung 2nd saka 3rd string ng 12th fret. Dito sa 12th fret. Okay? And then, yung para doon sa pinakahuli, papagsabayin nyo yung kalabet ng 2nd saka 1st string, slide dito sa papuntang 15th fret. And then, 1st string, 2nd string ng 15th fret, kakalbitin nyo ulit. And then, hammer nyo yung inyong ring finger dito sa 19th fret 1st string.
Gago!
And then, bebend nyo yan, papunta dito sa notes na to. Release. Okay, bend. Release. Okay, pag-bend. Release. And then, kakalbitin nyo itong nasa 17th fret 1st string.
What?
Okay, so papagalin natin. Alright, so dyan po nagtatapos ang ating guitar solo tutorial ng kantang That's Why You Go Away by Michael Learns to Rock. I hope meron po kayo natutunan, no? Kahit konti, at least man lang nabigyan kayo ng idea on how to play the solo. I highly suggest po na pakinggan nyo ng pakinggan yung kanta. So then, makuha nyo po yung exact notes kung kaya. And ma-play nyo po siya ng mas maayos kesa how I play it. Or I played it. Oh, no? Okay. Salamat po sa pagtsatsaga. And God willing, sa susunod, makagawa po ulit tayo ng bagong tutorial. And kita-kits din. Okay, then. God bless. Keep safe. Peace. Rock and roll.